Hi, I'm Dr. Fuller, and I'd like to thank you for visiting the House Calls website. House Calls is a new and unique service that is owned and directed by physicians. We formed House Calls to reach out to people who are having trouble managing at home because of an illness. Our goal is to help you and your doctors manage your illness and to remain as independent as possible in your own home. As we all know, the medical system can be very complicated and very cumbersome. And when you're sick, it can be very stressful for you and your family to try to figure out where to turn to get the services you need. This is where House Calls can help. When you call us, we'll send an experienced nurse or medical social worker to your home to determine exactly what you need. Then, for the next 30 days, we'll work very closely with you, your family, and your personal physician to arrange, coordinate, and supervise all the services you need, because our goal is to help you get well again at home. So, when it's possible, invest in staying at home. And when you become ill and have trouble managing, make House Calls your first call.